Hey, Nana babies. How y'all doing? Huh. Whew. Your Nana tired, but I'm still pushing. I'm pushing. So, today's video is being sponsored, my first sponsorship, y'all, by Fat Mama's Catering. Fat Mama's Catering. And the way it smells, baby, she can cater my food. Baby, let me tell you, this food smells something good. I got some shrimp. I got some lobster. I got some fish. Some shrimp creole. Some lobster mac and cheese. Banana pudding. Some truffle, her homemade truffle butter. Okay? Push through, big fat mama. Push through with the truffle butter. And some homemade dill sauce. Something similar to, I want to say tartar sauce, but it's a dill sauce. And some homemade, I want to say she said this was tartar sauce too. All right, y'all. Look at this food, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me move this butter. Let me move this butter and stuff. I want to show y'all this food. This, baby, when I tell you this food smells something serious, baby, this food smells something serious. It smells better than my food. And I don't claim nobody can cook better than me, because they can't, baby. I tell you not. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. My Lord. Look at that food. Look at that. Boy, when I tell you. She hooked your Nana up. She hooked your Nana up. And yes, I do. I got my core, my water. You still at it. They need to sponsor me, huh? So, y'all, I hope everybody's day's been good, because mine's been busy. And now I'm hungry for some Fat Mama's Catering. Okay? She sell her plate. She have different plates. It's $25 to $30, and she do big events also. I'm gonna have all her information linked down in the bottom. Y'all look. Let's be real. Y'all don't know. Y'all know. I done told y'all. Me, I'm not tech friendly. And I'm gonna put the information down now. It ain't gonna be fancy, but all her information gonna be in my description. Okay. Hey, look her up if you're in the Houston area. Now this is lobster mac and cheese, y'all. And baby, look at here. Y'all know I cooks it too. And y'all know Bay love my, she don't even like macaroni and cheese, but she like mine. I'm gonna give her a 10. It's good. It sure is. I do have some B-Love sauce over here, because I had some crab meat and stuff left yesterday. So I said, let me see if I can eat a little bit. We'll see. But right now, I'm focused on this, because it's good. Yes, it is. Miss Patricia, we didn't know each other. And you wanted my response, right? So, I'm tell you this. It's good. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for sponsoring my video. Thank you for supporting Nana's Corner. It is good, and I will be supporting you. Girl, y'all, look at this. Look at that. Look at the shrimp. Ooh. And let me tell you what this tastes like. Now, if anybody from Louisiana and they have a grandma that cook and they from Louisiana, all right, and you know them people from Louisiana know how to cook, right? They know how to season that food, right? And it's Cajun. This Cajun. So this remind me of my father, Creole, shrimp Creole. The seasoning. It is really good. This remind me of something that you can get. Real. I'm being serious, y'all. I'm being dead serious. This tastes just like my father and my grandmother's recipe. And they from Louisiana. This is really good. This, I mean, the flavors, oh my God, this is good. This reminds me of my grandmother. You know, yep. Okay. This is good. This is really good. This is good. I kid you not. This is really, I like this. Oh my God, I like this. Because this take me back to my roots. This take me back to my roots. I'm in my grandma's kitchen. In my daddy's kitchen. She sold me on this. She sold me on that. She won my heart on that. I swear to God, that tastes really good. Oh my God. When I get married, hint, hint, we gonna have this on our menu. Hint, hint. I know you watching. Hint, hint. I want this. Hint, hint. Okay? It's an avocado salad. As a matter of fact, that's what this is. I got this salad dressing. I think this is what this is. No. This is butter. Oh, this truffle butter. I think I'm supposed to put this in the microwave. I hope I didn't warm up the salad dressing, y'all. Let me see. Y'all, I warmed up the salad dressing. I thought this was the butter. Oh my God. I can't believe I did that. Look at this lobster. Look at this lobster tail. It's a life-size lobster. You get all of this for $25 to $30. Look at the size of the lobster tail. This ain't no little bitty one. This not an HEB one. This is a nice size. You see? Look. Just calm down. You see? Nice size lobster tail. And it smells like she grilled it. Whew. The aroma. The aroma. The aroma. The aroma. Oh. I'm going to have to put some of this in both sauces, baby. Yeah. Ooh, that girl did herself. Y'all, this is a treat. As Cuzzo AB say, this is really a treat. This is a well-deserved treat. And I'm gonna hurt myself. I gotta hurry up because I gotta go to work and I don't even want to go. Hint, hint. Yeah, my boo, he supports my channel. Hint, hint. I'm gonna keep saying hint, hint because I'm not gonna put. I'm not doing it. Sure not. When it's time, when he want to get on here, then Here you go. But I love that man. Anyways. Yes, ma'am. Yes, indeed. What truffle butter? This is good, y'all. This is really good. I mean, even the shellfish. This is a treat. Thank you, Patricia. Thank you. Shout out to Fat Mama's Catering. Y'all need to look this woman up. She really can cook. She's starting her catering services. She's already she deliver food also on the week. I think she said on the weekend. She deliver. You place your order. You cash app her. You could pick it up or she could deliver it to you. However you want it, you get it. And like I said, she has several plates. Today she had fish. She had Alfredo, shrimp Creole, lobster. Some I think she said shrimp cettuccine. We was talking about it. What else she said she had? Oh Lord, I got excited. When I seen this plate, y'all, I got excited. This is really, really good, y'all. This is the deal. Let me see. Yeah, this is deal. This is not for the lobster. This is for the lobster, and I warmed up my god doggone salad dressing. The lobster is tender. Oh my God. Y'all, this tastes like, and it melts in your mouth. Oh my God, it tastes. She had to grill this because it tastes grilled. It's good. Oh, yeah. Let's try this out. Okay, y'all. So I got a big announcement. I have an announcement to make. So, Nana has decided to start selling my sauce. And also, I will be start selling my ingredients that I use to make a seafood ball. Now, y'all know it's good because Bay told y'all. Everybody come on my channel who have ate my food tell you it's good. And I have special seasons I use. I don't use shrimp ball. I don't use none of that. I have my own ingredients. I will be launching for sale my sauce and my seasoning packs for seafood balls February the 9th. Now, why you picked that date? Well, that was my wedding anniversary day. And my husband had passed away. So in a memory of him, I'm going to use that date because it's a special day. And he was special. So February the 9th, I will be launching Nana's. I ain't got a name yet, though. As a matter of fact, I do have a name. But gonna confirm it first. But now the sauce right now, okay? I will be launching it February the 9th. If anybody want to buy, because I have had few people asking me about my sauce. Well, it's half of Beloved recipe and half of mine with a twist in it. But it's going to be completely my sauce. It's not going to be Beloved sauce. It's not going to be similar Beloved sauce. It's going to have all of my ingredients, my sauce, my personalized sauce. Okay? I'm going to ask Bae, when I talk to her, to be my tester. So y'all can see how good it is. My mom have tasted my sauce. And I want to try something here. I want to try this deal. Let's see. I'm not a fan of pickles. Okay. That's all right. I can do it. It's not too overpowering. I'm actually, that's going to be my guinea pig. No, I ain't going to say that. Let me take that back. He going to be my tester. He going to be the one who let y'all know how it tastes. Now, the sauce that I make when we do video is half Beloved, half mine. I take the, in generalization of it, on her recipe that she did a while back, I started with that. Then I start adding my own ingredients and take away some of her ingredients and add mine and all this, okay? It don't matter. But I will be launching my sauce February 9th. If you're interested in my sauce, go to Nana's Corner. My information is on there. Or inbox me on Facebook, Tanya Brown. Tanya Brown, okay? All right, so what we gonna do now? We gonna support Nana and her sauce. I put this ugly bowl here. I didn't want this in the camera. I didn't want that in the camera. I didn't. So, yeah. I'm super excited to start something different. And I pray that God carry me through it. Y'all support Nana. So, I hope everybody's day's been good. I'm super excited. I woke up this morning and I was like, I had so much energy. I went to work and I got off and they say, Tanya, can you go somewhere and help at the other place? I'm like, yeah, I sure can. Then yesterday, I did the same thing. I worked down there 24 hours. I did. When I said I was going back to work, I said I was going back hard. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going hard. And I'm proud of myself because I have managed to put how many videos out this week? 2. But I got one sitting here that I need to upload. And now this one. So that's going to be 4 videos this week. I'm really proud of myself. This is really good, y'all. I kid you not. And I'm going to say something for lunch, too. And I know I'll be buying her place now. And I know that, hint, hint, when I get married, hint, hint, what's going to be on my menu, hint, hint. Do you hear me? Hint, hint. What I find out with macaroni and cheese is you can't use all that cheddar cheese. I don't like I use Gouda cheese and provolone cheese and make kind of mild. Yeah, I'm always supposed to. I gotta hurry up. I got 10 minutes. So, y'all, please go check out. It's P period H period A period T period Mama's Kitchen. Let me try to pull it up. I think she have a, you can go follow her on Facebook and Instagram also. P period H period. Let me pull it up. Yeah, this food is really good. Oh my God. Fat Mamas. Yeah. Fat Mamas. Here you go. Fat Mama's Kitchen. Can y'all see that? Fat Mama's Kitchen. You see it? P period H period A period T period Mama's Kitchen. And here goes some of her plates. I think it's the Alfredo. Yeah, black. Oh, that was she was saying. Blackened lobster Alfredo. Blackened lobster Alfredo. Let me see. She got some more here. She just really launched this page. Beignets. Wait. Let's see if I can get this cup. Oh, I put on Taco Bell. I lost it. Oh, there you go. Beignets. Salads. That's a simple salad. Fried shrimp. Ooh. Shrimp and grits. She did graduate from culinary art. Culinary art school. Yeah, so y'all go check her out. Fat Mama's Kitchen. There you go. Fat Mama's Kitchen and Catering. Please go check out. Her food is good, baby. Her food is good. And this lobster, baby, is like, yes, it's heaven. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you. But I'm finna say something for lunch. I sure am. You think it's a joke? My mama thinks she finna come over here and get some. She can smell the aroma. And I'm gonna say this for when I come home. This is her banana pudding. I like whipped cream on my banana pudding, but some people don't, but I do. So I'm gonna give you something. Well, I might share my yeah. Hint. Instead of hint, our dessert tonight. No, but for real. But I want to thank you, Miss Patricia, for trusting me and tasting your food. I really enjoyed it. I'm not going to, everybody know I don't eat a lot. I am going to eat the rest of this for lunch tonight for work. And it was very, 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 very good. I kid you not. Y'all, this lobster is really good. This took me back to my grandma. I'm telling you, my grandmother's kitchen. And I hope y'all like this video. It was just for a sponsored video. Like I say, please go check her page out, her Facebook page, Fat Mama's Kitchen. Her food is good. She done an amazing job with this plate. And the flavors was outstanding. Yes, she's up there with Nana. Past Nana. On a cool. It's good. Y'all, her food is really good. It's good. This is really good, y'all. But I gotta go take my bath before I get ready. Go back to work. I gotta leave out of here at 5:15 to be to work, so I won't be late. Please go check out Fat Mama's Kitchen. Like I say, she sponsored this video. And I greatly appreciate that she trusted me. And please go show her some support. Go to her page and like it. Y'all will get another video coming soon. I've been talking to a few people. I got some different things gonna come up. And oh, did anybody see about Beast Mode? He's leaving the mukbang community because of his health. Saying that, you know, and he right. Ain't no money could replace his body to his family. So he decided to leave he's decided to leave the mukbang community. I tell you, if you ever see this video, Beast Mode, you are my thoughts and my prayers. And whatever you're going through, give it to God. Remember, God is a healer. God is a listener. He's a provider. He's all the things you need. Trust in him. I hate that you're going through whatever you're going through with your health. And I will keep you in my thoughts and my prayers, okay? So, y'all, go check out the video, Beast Mode. He's talking about, you know, leaving the mukbang community and his health-wise from eating all that unhealthy food and stuff. That's why I'm trying to eat all that extra stuff. I'm going to keep it simple. And he was saying that, you know, in this mukbang community, people don't want to see healthy food. And it's sad. Because I thought about doing some things healthy too, like salads and stuff. I love salad. And he was like, they don't want to see. They want to see junk food. They want to see seafood. They want to see all this crazy food. Eat 20 chicken wings and 20 chicken legs. I'm not doing it. I'm not. I will not eat a quadruple hamburger. I'm not. I will not sit up and eat a whole bowl of cheese. I'm not. I'm keeping it simple. Remember that. So, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. I'm full of energy, like I said. Thank y'all for watching me. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. Get notified when you're now to upload a video. I thank y'all for sitting here and watching me, supporting my channel, supporting everything about Nana. Nana love you. May God keep you. And may God bless you. Bye. Love you. Look, they at the door. Look at them. They want some food.